Barney and the intern. What about the coffee machine? Barney is cheating on the coffee machine.
Can we please stop saying things like this on videos about that ship? I'm gonna use Coffeebunny as an example here. I constantly see people saying things like this on videos shipping the two, and it always gets me so mad. The video isn't about that. I get that they're trying to be funny, but it can get annoying quickly, especially when it's said over and over again. Just focus on the video, please. That's all. Snow melts.